Well, hey, you guys, welcome to the Canning Nana. So, I haven't talked about my sourdough starter for a while. I have two big jars here. I have a lot that is dehydrated and ready to ship. Going to be doing that really soon. You're going to be hearing about that. But yeah, we have two big jars here, quart and a half, that we're still adding to. I cooking with it. I cook with it in the morning. Doing a lot of stuff with it, but this is going to be available for you guys to purchase. And also, it's going to be part of the giveaway for 5,500 subscribers. So stay tuned because that's coming next week, probably on Tuesday. I also want to talk about sprouting seeds because I haven't done this in a long time. Yes, I still do it. I used to take this to work with me, make wrapped sandwiches that were really good with the sprouts on there. But in today's world, I guess you want to say, if you can't get to the store or the stores are closed for whatever reason, you still need greens. You need all of these nutrients. So how do you do that? You sprout seeds. Really simple. I am going to be giving away some of the sprouting seeds that I use. I use all organic sprouting seeds. These particular seeds are going to be a little teeny bit spicy. And I like it that way. They have a little bit of a flavor to it that way. It's a lot better. I've had the regular sprouts, not so good. You need a little bit of a flavor, a little bite to it. Make it really, really good. And it's not hot. It's just a little bit spicy, a little bit flavorful is all I would say. It's not really hot at all. It's very, very good. But I'm going to be giving away seeds. I'm going to be giving away sourdough starter. So please share my channel. Please subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. That is a requirement for being entered in the 5,500 subscriber contest. You do have to be subscribed to my channel. And you will have wanted to be subscribed for at least a week, I would say. So, and please share my channel. That helps the algorithm with YouTube and helps them share my channel even more. And I would really appreciate that. But more, I would really appreciate if each and every one of you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and left a comment and telling me why you subscribed. If you're brand new to the channel, what do you want to learn? What do you want to see me dehydrate or can? Give me some updates. Give me some ideas of what you guys want to see. I do this for you guys. So whatever you guys want to see, that's what I'm going to do. You can always email me with any questions at thecanningnana@gmail.com. I get a lot of questions there about what I'm going to can next, what I'm going to dehydrate, how I use these things. And yes, all of these videos are coming. I promise you guys, coming really soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and hit the like button and comment. Thank you. Thanks for watching.